Yeah, that'll let some light in. Yeah. Oh, we got the spare wheel. He's strapped that on a proper frame.
Take that cover out.
Yeah.
It plugs to the top of the light.
Yeah.
I'll pull the green cover down at the top. Hang on.
There you go. Velcroed halfway down.
Yeah.
And let the light in.
Let the light in and I'll do you with.
Yeah, and that green around the bellows up there is an extra.
Yeah.
That's another insulated one, and it's really is to match this. It's lovely. And we're inside now. Look at the size of that window. And of course, there's one both sides as well. Yeah. And it's got the bring down the subfloor, so there's a bed above. Map reading light, bedside lights. Yeah. And I love it that they've used a rhino board type thing. It's lovely.
The boarding was done by a company called Ply Guys.
Ply Guys, right.
Glasgow, near Glasgow.
Oh, right. Yeah, it is well put together. It is well put together. I like it. What was the... Yes, and it's dual side loading door. Yeah, realising, yeah. So, yeah, when you say when you got the dog with you, you sleep downstairs with him.
And then this side is a wardrobe.
Oh, and it's hanging wardrobe, yeah.
Hanging
Oh,
wardrobe.
I love that. I love that idea.
This side. He says,
Yeah.
Flashing, you see this? This is all Velcro packs. So you can,
Right, so you can keep everything separate.
Everything separate.
Underwear, socks,
all
shirts,
that in here.
Yeah.
There's
Like
one
it.
for shoes, etc.
Yeah.
in there. And this is a 4-section compartment, so you could put
Right,
separate stuff.
odds and sods in.
And this is just a full one for trousers and
Right,
that sort of stuff.
right.
They have quarter ones underneath, so I don't know. Under there, you'll see quarter bags as well.
Right,
that
okay,
fit
okay.
around the wheel arches.
Yeah.
So
Right. The box, the white box.
yeah. That's
Toilet
the
in that
toilet
end,
in
yeah.
there.
Yeah.
That's general stuff.
That's general wear and tear. What's the little white box in there?
What, this one?
Yeah.
This is safe.
Oh, that's your safe. Yeah. Right.
it's
Okay.
just
Then. Okay. Then.
And then there's also side entry on both sides, so you
Yeah.
can get into.
Yeah.
the
Oh, and a bottle of
important
plonk.
stuff.
And a bottle of plonk.
And obviously that's bedding,
Bedding in there.
In
Yeah.
the rear section. If it was raining and I didn't want to get out, I just
Yeah.
open this. I've got access to the cookers.
Okay. Oh, right. Yeah.
So I
Yeah.
can
That's a
pick
good
them
idea.
up and put them on the
Yeah.
table.
So
if I
when you
want
close
to.
the drawer at the back, you've
Yeah.
still got access to them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can close that so you can see.
I like that idea. I like that idea.
So I can just take put that on there, and then you've got access to all your cooking. Your coffee, etc.
Right.
You can just
Oh, I
lift
like
them
it.
out.
Yeah.
With these are the cushions I normally sit on.
Yeah.
You can use just about anything, and the table obviously swivels.
Yeah.
The chairs,
Captain chairs, and you said they were out of.
these are German.
They're German. They're German. Yeah.
Oops, hang on.
Yeah. Caught the belt.
Caught the belt.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, the dog towel.
And the dog towel.
But you see, then with both seats,
You've sat. That's a brilliant idea, mate. That's
but if
I
there's
like
four
that.
of you,
Yeah.
there's enough for two people that
There.
side, two people that
side.
side. I suppose you could have two people
Two
here
bit-
if you
yeah.
wanted, but
Yeah.
that's the.
I like it. I like it. Yeah.
So
yeah.
you've got the view out of both sides.
That is brilliant, mate.
View out the
Yeah.
back,
Yeah.
and yeah.
That is brilliant. I do like it. It is a little bit worrying having the spare wheel on the door, and
Yes.
Yeah.
The only trouble is it's
Yeah.
about an inch too big to fit underneath.
Yeah. So you've got it. Yeah, you've got to sacrifice
Because
something
it's
somewhere
along
the line. It's got to be sacrificed. Yeah.
Otherwise, you don't have
Yeah.
a spare, and we know where that leads.
Yes. Because not a lot of tire companies will come up in the woods or up on the moors or in the forests, and
No. So,
yes. As we say, it's on a Ford Transit Custom with a pop-up top, and he's got the awning on there. Yeah, I do like it. I love the grille. I do love the grille because they're not standard.
No.
I do like that.
And the bonnet guard and.
Yeah, and it's a child safety.
It's
bull bar. They
by Cobra, and they're actually
and they do fold. They do fold in.
Yeah, they're Euro compliant.
Yeah.
Euro crash compliant.
Yeah, and we were just talking earlier, and there is a custom front spoiler on it with the lights recessed into it, which is just enough to push when the top's down. It pushes it over the top of the pop top. Yeah, it folds down in. Folds down in and sits into there. Yeah. It's brilliant. Because I mean, I'm looking. I am selling mine, because I want to go smaller. I don't want to go as small as this, right? But now with the pop top up in there, it makes me change my mind a little bit. Because you can still stand. Because you can still stand up.
Yeah, you can still stand up. But the beauty is sometimes when I'm travelling,
Yeah.
and I just pull in,
Yeah.
the bed goes.
Just straight in there. Yeah.
And I sleep with it all closed down, and I'm on the road again.
Yeah.
It's just a thing. Sometimes I just pull these over.
Yeah.
2 of those down, sleeping bag on the top.
Yeah.
Although what I generally do is, because I got used to cold underneath, I've got 2 sheepskins sewn together.
Okay.
And that's the.
Yeah. So, I mean, it is the stupid question. It was all insulated and everything in all the side panels and everything.
Yeah, it's fully insulated.
Yeah. Obviously, you can't insulate a pop top properly, but I mean, they are a thermal barrier anyway, aren't they? Yeah.
It's just when the roof is down or it's just parked up, you've got less heat.
Heat loss. Yeah.
Heat loss going out.
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
But,
I do like it. Yeah, I do like it. I do love these seats. Yeah, so it's filmed from the driver's side sliding door now. Loads of storage, fridge. Yeah, just absolutely loads of storage.
yes, that was the most important thing.
Yeah. Oh, and a nice little fold-away ladder.
Yeah, if you need it.
Yeah.
What I generally do is use it is fold-out steps.
Yeah.
Tie the 2 legs together, and then
All
I can climb up
it
out the ladder, touching the vehicle.
Okay. Yeah.
So,
Right. Yeah. I'll just show the back drawers. Right, he's got a collapsible sink this side, but he's made a couple of crates in the middle, and he's got a sink in there.
And that's also 25 litres of water in a waste.
So you've got 25 litres and waste and everything in there.
Yeah.
Right, wow. Yeah.
And here, of course, the cob grill.
Oh, right.
Barbecue.
Barbecue. Oh, you've got to have a barbie. Yeah. So you've got all this netting and all this storage. Every little piece is used and utilised. I do like it. The spare wheels up there, I'm not sure I like that, but as we just said, you've got to utilise the space. It won't go underneath. So, yeah, I like it. Hello, Sam. Sam, what's this? Yeah, you're not having it, are you? Hey, you're not having it. It's right. Thank you for letting me have a look around that and videoing it for you. Just spotting the aerial on the back. Oh, Wi-Fi. That's your 4G aerial. Yep. Network aerial, yeah. It's not, right. That's tucked away, nice and black and out of the way. Yeah.
There.
Yeah.
And it's actually underneath.
I'll go under. I am press record. Oh wow, yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's a fair size tool, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, get out of my ear. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I'm just making sure I got it all on the... Yes,
Sam!
yes.
Sam, come on!
Oh. Sam!
Sam!
And of course, I've just quizzed it, and yes, he has got solar up there, and you've got loads of room for a load more solar up there.
Yep.
Loads of room for solar. Oh, we'll get it to see with the door down now.
It's not.
Oh, it's not that far off balanced. Yeah.
Just seems a lot.
Yeah. Well, if you let all the air out of it, that's another £60 lighter.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
Think of that. Yeah. I know. I was thinking it was only 23.5 kilos.
Yeah. I like it. Yeah, you've got loads of room up there to put loads more solar.
Yeah.
Yeah. And what makeup panel is that? Because that's...
It's a German.
It's a German one. Ah, right. Everything's German on there.
Yeah.
Right. I like it. And thank you very, very, very much. I do.
Reversing camera.
Yeah. Yeah, I got two on the back of mine. I got one that down there like that, number plate replacement one.
Yeah.
That comes on only when you go into reverse.
Yeah.
Then when you come out of reverse, I've got one above which I use as a rear view mirror then.
Oh right, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. She's a beaut. Yeah. I'd have it off you, but I haven't got £30 spare.
Not 5 and 9 pence.
Right.
I did offer some.
Of course, now this video has to be very, very short because they got music blaring out now. So, yeah.